If you have been applying for AI and remote jobs and getting nothing back, no replies, no interviews, just silence, then you need to stay here with me for the next 4 minutes because this could actually change everything for you. But first, who am I? My name is Koje, and back in 2022, I landed my first remote job with basically no skill. I was paid just $10 a month. I didn't quit, but I kept learning, kept improving my skills, and by 2023, I landed my second remote job paying $150 a month, living right in Nigeria, and that felt like a breakthrough for me. And fast forward to today, I work multiple remote jobs from home, including my YouTube content creation business, which I do from home. I am not saying this to impress you. I am saying it because if I could go from 10 a month to where I am now with no head start and no connections, you can do it too if you have the right system. Here is the thing most people get wrong when they apply for remote jobs. They think the problem is lack of skill, but most of the time it's not. It's applying with the wrong resume format. It's not knowing which job site are actually legit. It's falling for scams that waste week of your time. It's having no plan at all, just applying randomly and hoping something clicks. That's exactly why I built this AI Remote Job Starter Kit. It's everything I wish someone had handed over to me when I was starting out. All things in one place. Inside it, you will get AI powered resume templates and prompts, cover letter prompts that save you hours, interview preparation resources, a LinkedIn optimization guide, 100 plus trusted AI and remote job websites that you can apply daily, the best free AI tools for your job, a scam prevention guide so you never waste time on a fake listing, a 30-day job search action plan, an application tracker to stay organized, plus bonus resources to help you stand out. No more piecing things together from random YouTube videos and outdated blog posts. It's all organized and it's ready for you today. Now, who is this for? If you are a student, a graduate, freelancer, job seeker, or anyone interested in remote work, whether AI or data entry, virtual assistants, or other remote work, this is for you. I want to be very upfront with you. This toolkit is an educational resources. It doesn't guarantee you any job or fixed income. Nothing honest ever can. What it gives you is a structure that you need, real tools, and a clear plan. The rest depends on your effort and the skill you bring to the employer. But if you're willing to put in the work, this removes the guesswork and makes it easier for you to land a remote job. The AI Remote Starter Job Kit is available and it's just going for 10,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, and then if you're outside Nigeria, it's just $7.63 that you can get it. Just right after the launch, a few people have laid their hands on this kit, and they are already getting some good results. Jambu will be attending an interview, and I wish him good luck. And you're going to see other people who are also using it. If you're really serious about landing a legit AI remote job or any other remote job, this is actually your starting point. Now, the link is going to be in the description or the comment section of this video. Just go there, check it, get instant access. Once you get instant access, you will be redirected to get access to it. And then afterwards, you can contact me. Once you have gotten access to the toolkit, you can contact me. And then from there, you can ask me questions. Whatever need you might have, you can always ask me questions and I will be there to answer you. And if you have any question before buying this toolkit, just put it in the comment section and I will be ready to answer you as soon as possible. Okay, thank you so much. Your next opportunity is actually there. Let's do it together and help you get it faster than you have ever tried.